I'm Jess Bohmbach.
I'm Jesse Revland.
I graduated from Dakota County Technical College with a degree in web design.
With a graphic design technology degree, and now I work at Gemini.
Now I work as a layout artist at Gemini. I chose to go to DCTC because it was close to home, it was affordable, the instructors were very nice, and actually everyone at the college was really welcoming.
My favorite thing about the classes there was the teachers knew all their stuff, that students were really nice, and it's just like a really laid back classrooms, and the classrooms were small, so you felt like you were actually learning and like the teachers were willing to help you out.
DCTC taught me the design fundamentals and really got me comfortable using the Adobe suite, which I use every day in my job at Gemini.
I learned the fundamentals of Photoshop and Illustrator, learning how to edit photos, and going into Illustrator and kerning with letters and all that.
I took a tour of Gemini while I was still in school at DCTC. The day I took the tour, I was offered a job.
After I graduated from Dakota County, I got a job right away here. I had a job interview within 1 week, and now I'm in the plaque layout artist spot and been here for 3 years.
So my job as a layout artist, what I do is I take customer art and I get it ready for production.
A plaque layout artist is just go in, you get the art from the customer, and you have to go in and make sure that it's producible, print the letters, make the art look good so it look good on the walls.
I typically see dozens of art files a day. I edit each one just to make sure that it meets our production requirements. Illustrator is the main program that I use to edit customers' artwork.
I just like the people here, and I just like playing with art, playing with photos, playing in Illustrator, and playing in Photoshop.
My education at DCTC allowed me to get a job in the industry that I really like.
DCTC prepared me for this job by just learning the Adobe suite products like Illustrator, Photoshop, and even a little bit of InDesign. I would recommend going to Dakota County Technical College. The people there are great, and it's just a fun time, and I would just recommend it to everybody.